Broadmoor is a working neighborhood, people not afraid to step up and stand up for what they believe in.
Broadmoor is the first city neighborhood in the United States to bootstrap itself from a disaster to a success.
The purpose of Apex is that we are creating community leaders. Residents now come to us and say, you know, I used to walk in fear past a group of young African American men, and now I stand there waiting for them to hug me.
Children in Broadmoor in 2007 did not have a lot of the resources that they now have. They did not have a school that they could go to. They did not have social programming during the summer after school. Whether you're the richest Broadmoorian or the poorest Broadmoorian, the Broadmoor Improvement Association has profoundly positively impacted your life.
Broadmoor is the most phenomenal community I've ever lived in.
Anybody, any neighborhood organization wants to copy this model, come on, because it works.